Hey guys, today I will show you how to insert a VHS tape into a TV in Project Zomboid. First, you need a VHS tape in your inventory. These spawn in homes, desks, wardrobes, VHS stores, and sometimes vehicles. Next, find a TV with a VHS slot. Not all antiques can play VHS, but most modern TVs you find in houses do. Click the TV as if you're going to use it. In the TV interface, drag the VHS tape from your inventory into the small cassette icon or slot in the TV's device options window. You should see the tape icon fill or change when placed correctly. Then click play to start watching the tape. If it doesn't work, make sure the TV is powered, the tape is in your main inventory, not in a bag, and you're using mouse or keyboard, as controllers can make menus tricky. Some players report that controller menus require selecting the inner window first before inserting the tape. Once the tape is playing, your character can watch the content. Certain VHS skill tapes can give skill experience or reduce boredom. Keep in mind, many players report that not all tapes function perfectly in some builds, so results may vary. To remove the tape, open the TV device options again and right-click the cassette icon. It should eject back to your inventory. And that's how you put a VHS tape in a TV in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.